My 2 Sephora orders came in. Actually, I did place a 3rd order, but I want to unbox it with you. First thing is, yes, there must be something going on mentally, but we'll address that later. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna admit this was the first order, and then this second order, it's because I watched another person's haul video. Anyways, I got the Liss bronzer. It just looks so juicy. I got it in color Motivate. By the way, since wearing my glasses, I feel like my vision has decreased. I feel like that's not normal. Next up is, Danessa Myricks. I couldn't remember which liner I ended up with, but I wanted to support Danessa. So black liquid. I feel like her stuff is amazing anyway, so okay, that's promising. Okay, this is the big order. This one is exciting. Okay, first up is Protect Tint. I got it in color 24N. I watched a lot of videos to see if this was the right color for me. I'm gonna just put a little bit on my hand to see. Yeah, I think that's gonna be good. Ooh, it's very juicy. Next up is the Kosas Plump and Juicy Spray. I don't use that much, like I don't spray my makeup when I'm done, but I don't know, this was calling me, and it's cute. Not compelling enough reasons to be buying stuff. Oh, I had to get another, this is light medium, it's the skin enhancer. Had to replenish. Yummy. This stuff is incredible. Absolutely incredible. I ended up getting this is a smaller size bottle. It's the exfoliator from Rare Beauty. It smells amazing. And I had received a sampler. I just ate it up. I'm like, I had to have it. There's actually a bigger bottle, but I felt like this was good if I travel. Oh yeah, this was a total blind buy. Love Notes by Ariana Grande. We're gonna go for it. Oh. That smells familiar. That actually smells like the Rare Beauty perfume. A little bit different. I like this one better, but it smells really close to that. Saccharomyces. Wow. Saccharomyces Ferment 30% Milky Toner. The ordinary milky toner. I'm not going to open this one yet, but I like that it looks like a little milk bottle. This is my Sephora order. I do have a 3rd coming. I just stocked up on some of my ordinary serums because I've been loving my results. So that's it. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.